students, let's begin our chapter listening numbers, in which today we'll start with the topic associativity property. What associative property says to us that what is association means? Association means to combine two things, okay? For example, A plus B plus C and A plus B plus C. It is for addition, and for subtraction A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C. For multiplication, A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. For division, A divided by B divided by C is equals to A divided by B is divided by C. Okay, let's first begin for the additions. Okay students, for addition, if I taken a value as A is equals to minus 2 by 3, B is equals to 3 by 5, C is equals to minus 4 by 3. Okay, I write A as minus 2 by 3 plus B as 3 by 5, C as minus 4 by 3, which is will be equal to A plus B, that is minus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 3. Okay. Now minus 4 by 3. Then after solving this two, that is this two, 3 by 5 and minus 4 by 3, we take the LCM, and 3 into 3 plus 5 into minus 4. Okay. And this side, after solving this, I am getting LCM as 15, and after 5 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3. Okay. Now after solving this, I'll get minus 11 by 15, and after solving this, I'm getting minus 1 by 15. Then I will solve both of these, minus 2 by 3 and minus 11 by 15. And this side minus 1 by 15 plus minus 4 by 3. After taking LCM, it will get as 45. Then 2 into 15, okay, plus 11 into minus 3, okay. Now this side again taking LCM, I am getting 3 into minus 1 plus minus 4 into 15. Okay. After solving this, I am getting minus 30 plus minus 33 upon 45, and this side minus 3 plus minus 60 upon 45. And after solving these equations, both the side, that is RHS and RHS, both sides are equal, that is minus 63 upon 45 and minus 63 upon 45. So what can I say? That addition is associative. I can say that addition is associative. Okay students. Now let's check for subtraction. Students, let's discuss for the subtraction now. In subtraction, what we can say, that A minus B minus C is equals to A minus B minus C. Okay. And now we solve a question in which I am taking A as minus 2 by 3, B as minus 4 by 5, and C is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now A as minus 2 by 3, B as minus 4 by 5, and C as minus 1 by 2. And this side also, A as minus 2 by 3, B as minus 4 by 5, and C as minus 1 by 2. After solving this, I am getting 10 as a LCM, and 2 into minus 4 minus of 2 at 1 into 5, and after solving this, I am getting LCM as 15, 2 minus 2 into 5, and minus of minus 4 into 3. Okay. Now after solving this, I am getting minus 8 minus of 5 upon 10, and minus 10 of, that is minus into minus is always plus, that is minus 10 plus 12 upon 15. Okay. Now after solving this, what I will get, that is minus 13 upon 10 and 2 by 15. Okay. Now after solving this, minus 2 by 3 and minus 13 by 10, I am getting LCM as 30, and 2 minus 2 into 10 minus of minus 13 into 3. Okay. And this side LCM is 30, 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 1 into 15. Okay. Now after solving this, I am getting as minus 19 upon 30 this side, and this side 11 upon 30. Okay. So both these values are not equal. So what can, that is LHS does not equal to RHS, then what can I say? I can say that subtraction is not associative. Okay students? Okay student, let's discuss for the multiplication, associative property for multiplication. In multiplication, what can I say? That A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. I am taking A as minus 3 by 4, B as 6 by 3 and C as 5 by 3. Okay. Now I am putting A as minus 3 by 4, B as 6 by 3 and C as 5 by 3. And this side also I am putting A as minus 3 by 4, B as 6 by 3 and C as 5 by 3. After solving this and cutting out, I am getting as 10 by 3, and after solving this and cutting out, I am getting minus 3 by 2. After solving these two, okay, I am getting minus 30 upon 12 and this side minus 15 upon 6. After cutting it, I am getting answer as 15 by 6, minus 15 by 6 and this side also minus 15 by 6. So what can I say? I can say that multiplication is associative. Okay. Okay students, now let's discuss associativity property for the division. In division, you all know that A divided by B divided by C is equals to A divided by B divided by C. Okay, I'm putting A, I'm taking value as A is equals to 1 by 2, B is equals to minus 2 by 3, C is equals to 4 by 5. Okay, now I'm putting A as 1 by 2, 1 by 2, B as minus 2 by 3 and C as 4 by 5. And this side also I am putting A as 1 by 2, B as minus 2 by 3, C as 4 by 5. After solving this, minus 2 by 3 and dividing, if we want to divide, then we can reciprocal it. Okay, that is 5 comes up and the 4 goes to the down. Okay, that is minus 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. Same this side, minus 2. We are changing the sign as multiplication by reciprocating it, that is into minus 3 by 2. We are reversing this, minus 2 by 3 reverse, that is we get that 3 by 2. That is minus 3 by 2 divided by 4 by 5. After solving this and cutting out, I am getting minus 5 by 6, and after solving this and cutting out, I am getting minus 3 by 4. After solving this, that is 1 by 2 divided by minus 5 by 6 is equals to minus 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 5. Okay, again I want to divide, that is why I can reverse it by multiplying it. Okay, now 1 by 2 into reverse this, that is minus 6 by 5, and this side also minus 3 by 4, taking sign as multiplication and reverse the value, that is 5 by 4. Okay, as after cutting and solving I am getting as minus 3 by 5 on this left hand side and minus 15 by 16 on the right hand side. So this is showing me that division is not associative.